Hi friends, welcome to the Modern Learning. Today we have another sweet treat of past perfect tense. So let's get started. As we know that past tense is divided into four types. That is simple past, past continuous, past perfect, and past perfect continuous. In today's video, we are going to learn past perfect tense. So let's check out. Let's see what is past perfect tense. It is used for actions that started and finished in the past before another action started, and that other action also occurred in the past. The past perfect is a part of the perfect tense. It expresses completed actions. That is, the action that started in the past is finished or complete. For example, she had met him before the party, or the plane had left by the time I got to the airport. Let's check out past perfect tense structure in the positive sentences. We need to have a subject plus had plus verb's third form and an object. Check out the examples for a better understanding. I had finished the test, or you had paid the bill. So note down that with I, he, she, it, or with you, we, they, we use had. Let's check out past perfect tense structure in the negative sentences. We need to have a subject plus had plus not plus verb's third form and an object. Check out the examples for a better understanding. I had not finished the test, or you had not paid the bill. Now here again you can see that with I, he, she, it, or you, we, they, we have used had. Let's check out past perfect tense structure in the interrogative sentences. For interrogative sentences, we put had in the beginning of the sentence, then the subject, then the verb's third form, then an object and a question mark. Check out the examples for a better understanding. Had I finished the test? Or had you paid the bill? So friends, this was all about past perfect tense. Let's recap today's lesson. The structure in the positive sentence is subject plus had plus verb's third form plus an object. Hence, she had cleaned the room when I got home. The structure in the negative sentence is subject plus had plus not plus verb's third form plus an object. Hence, she hadn't cleaned the room when I got home. The structure in the interrogative sentence is had plus subject plus verb's third form plus an object and a question mark. Hence, had she cleaned the room when I got home? So friends, this was all about past perfect tense. I hope that now you have a clear idea about past perfect tense. If you liked the video, just give a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe. See ya!